17 Nestor Avenue here in Bardon is a post-war home. It's a corner position in a quiet, wide street on 607 square metres of wonderful land with very exciting potential. Enter through the front door and you'll be delighted with the modern finishes. The home provides an easy floor plan with open plan living, a modern kitchen. There's a recently renovated bathroom with a freestanding bathtub and separate shower. Down the hall, there are 3 light-filled bedrooms. There is also a covered rear deck, and that overlooks the tree-lined backyard. While the home is perfectly comfortable for a couple or a small family, it's also ripe for renovation. And it's surrounded by the coffee shops and buses and all those stellar schools. So, why wait? Call me.